This is my third user summit, and it keeps just getting bigger and better, from the quality of the speakers to the topics that are discussed. Just, the camaraderie and meeting the other doctors and everybody on the panel. There's just so many experienced people out there, and it's just been so fun to learn new ways to do things. And you're always so excited Monday morning when you get back to the office from a weekend like this, because you're just ready to just try and jump in all the new things that you've learned. So it's been really fun to keep coming to these events. The thing that I love about these summits is, even when you own a current technology or device, you may only be using it for one indication or one diagnosis. And so I love that you can learn how other people are using the same technology that you already own on other parts of the body to treat other conditions. And so that's been fun, because you don't always come here to buy something, but you can always learn from what you currently have and grow upon that. So that's been a big part of my learning experience with the AMPS User Summit. It's always a great time, so looking forward to seeing you there.